How are you all?
We are fine, sir.
In our yesterday class, we had discussed about the decimal numbers.
Sir.
Once again today, we will discuss about the decimal numbers. So, decimal numbers are those numbers which have how many parts? How many parts?
Two.
Parts. The first part is called and the whole part is before the decimal or after the decimal? Before the decimal. And the second part is called as fractional part. And the fractional part is after or before the decimal? After the decimal. Okay, very good. Now, next we will learn about the place and place value of decimal numbers. Place value and place of decimal numbers. So please look at the number. The number is 347.69. Okay. So Asmita, this part is called loudly. This very good. This part is called whole part. So give one appreciation for Asmita. Which one? Well done. Now, Aditya, please sit down. Aditya Kumar, this is called. This is called. This is called decimal. A decimal is a point. Okay, a decimal is a point, and this is called as decimal. Very good. Please sit down. Now, Sukriti, please tell me. This part is called as. This part is called as fractional part. Very good. Again, one appreciation for Aditya Kumar and Sukriti. Well done. Now please sit down. Now we are familiar with the decimal numbers. है ना? हमें चल गया पता? Decimal number have two parts. First part is called whole part and the second part is called fractional part. Fractional part is after the decimal and the whole part is before the decimal. Now we will move to the next part or next topic, that is the place value of the decimal numbers. Value of decimal numbers. This one, decimal. This is visible to everyone. This is decimal or point. Before the decimal, which part? And after the decimal, fractional or decimal part. Clear to everyone? Clear? Now, move to the next one, and that is place value of the decimal number. The immediate number after the point or decimal is called tens, and the place value of this place is 1 upon 10. The next digit after the 10, 100, and the place value of this digit 1 upon 100. The next digit after the place of 100, and the place value of this is 1 upon 100. Okay. Number is Sunaya, please stand up. 776.886. Now, first of all, Akriti, Samaksh Bhardwaj, please write down the place value of this 8. And Ahna, please write down the place value of this 6. Have you written? Please show me. Come here. So look at the number. This is 8 upon 10. And 8 upon 10 is the right answer. So clapping for Akriti. जब भी हमारे पास में आएगी fraction means in the form of P upon Q, and the upper part is called numerator, and this one is called the denominator. Please take this. Now smudge. Pronounce it also. 8 upon 100. Because 8 is at which place? 8 is at 100 place and this part is fractional part. That's why the place value of 8 is 8 upon 100. Once again, this is I find for you. And pronounce it. 6 upon 1000. The place value of 6 is 6 upon 1000. Now, the concept of place value of decimal numbers, clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please take it. Everyone, distribute the instructions first. Okay? Listen the instructions. I tell you. Please listen the instructions carefully. Okay? Raise your hands. You have to write down the place value of this 9. You have to write down the place value of this 9. Okay? And those students who have the orange slip, please write down the place value of this 3. Instructions clear to everyone? Those who have the purple slip, you have to write down the place value of this 9, and those who have the orange slip, they have to write down the place value of this 3. So what is the place value of this 9? 90. Because this 9 is at which place? 10th place. That's why the place value of this 9 is 90. Now please sit down. After this one, orange. So what is the place value of this 3? 3 upon 100. Because the 3 is at the 100th place and this is the fractional part. That's why the place value of this 3 is 3 upon 100. Now please sit down. The concept of place value and place value of decimal numbers, clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So one appreciation from my side to all of you.